welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, we're going to explore Universal Studios Hollywood. I'm with my husband. Let's go!
That's right, that's right.
Nandito kami sa Three Broomsticks. Kakain kami ng fish and chips.
Pinapiyalak siguro. Podcast.
Guys, yung house ni Hagrid. Ayan. Our first ride is Flight of the Hippogriff. Hindi ko rin alam eh. So, it's a mini roller coaster.
Six Flags na to. Yan na.
Tapos na kami sa Flight of the Hippogriff. Mini roller coaster. It's surprisingly good. Walang waiting time, like 5 minutes wait. So that's it. Gonna ride Forbidden Journey. I think we have to put our things in the locker. May bayad? May bayad pala guys yung locker. $5. For a medium-sized locker, it's $5.
Same thing for everything.
Yeah, same thing though for everything pala.
Is to fill the bathrooms.
Perhaps another time. My purple scratch. Week anyway. Hey, you lot! Come see the dragon, have you?
Done! Every time talaga na sumasakay kami dito, nahihilo talaga ako. How was it?
Same.
It's the same. We've ride this ride before. We've rode this ride before. We ride this ride before. Takyan na namin tong ride na to sa Japan. But still okay siya kasi walang waiting time. Like dire-diretso sa Japan kasi. Umila kami ng almost 2 hours ata. Basta 1 hour mahigit. So dito, last lang yung pila mo. Like 10 minutes I think. Yun lang. Yung pila mo walking pa.
Hi, guys. You're right.
They're building our new ride, roller coaster, Fast and the Furious Hollywood Drift. Sa 2026. Yeah.
All you can eat.
Kain na naman kami. After 2 rides, we're gonna eat again. Pero kasi nag-share lang kami sa food. So technically, 1 meal pa lang yung nakain namin.
Fork in the eye. I can't paint into this. Oh, how do I make him like me? He's ensured that no way. I'm taking you with me!
right? Ganda ng production nila. Even yung cast, magaling. Nice ba?
Yes. It's good, Mike.
Yeah. You can check yung Universal app nyo kung what time yung mga shows. Kami, chinek lang namin yun. Kaya, sakto lang yung oras ang dating namin dito sa Waterworld.
I hate to break it to you, but we're doing a Kung Fu Panda show.
Maganda yung theater doon sa Kung Fu Panda. Parang yung buong 360, no? Like, yung buong theater room, pati yung gilid, may effects.
Actually, Oscar Mayer.
Lucky family will be the first to go on my thrilling new ride. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Make it quick, I gotta go.
Done with the Krusty Land ride. Tama ba? Krusty Land ride. Nahilo din ako eh. Pro tip, huwag kayo sasakay sa likod. Kasi yung ulo ko, gumagano doon sa headrest. Doon sa may, natin, sa backseat.
Parang yung sa dome na pero small version. Per room. Ba tayo lang?
Pupunta na kami sa lower lot. Here. Mario Kart. Yung
Mommy
The
and
Mummy, Jurassic World, yun na yung sasakyan namin. Guys, ito yung Fast and the Furious, yung ginagawang roller coaster. Look.
Take her around here. Enjoy the rest of your day, Jurassic World. Come on, Tango.
I'm so wet. Sabi niya, tinakpan niya ako, pero basang-basa ako. Oh my God, even my pants is wet.
Cellphone mo.
In my pocket. How was it?
Masaya siya. Kailangan i-ride niyo.
Yeah, it's super fun. Alam mo, hindi kami sumasakay sa mga wet rides. Promise, hindi kami sumasakay sa mga yung mababasa kami. Pero ito kasi, sabi nila, doon ka sa likod para hindi ka mabasa. Nakakabasa, pero masaya siya. Super saya niya. Enjoy. Basa yung namin jacket. Basa yung jacket. Guys, yung bag pala ila-locker ulit. Yung small ones, free lang. Pero pag medium and large yung kukunin nyo, may bayad ng $5. Pero dahil smart ass tong asawa ko, tinupi namin yung gamit namin. 2 locker yung kinuha namin. Kasi 2 naman yung park ticket namin. Kasi sascan mo yung QR ng park ticket mo eh. So yun ang ginawa namin. Kaya free lang, walang bayad. Yeah, we're gonna ride the Mummy. Revenge of the Mummy. How was it? Lahat ng tatanungin ko sa kanya, good, great, 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10.
Mario.
Trying to circulate for the first time. So, siya. Sobrang laki na ito. Maubos pa natin ito.
Tingnan niyo po, sobrang ganda ng view. Ayan, no? Sobrang ganda ng view. Ito. Ayan ang magandang view.
the view.
I love the view. This view. Panis. Scooby-Doo! Si Minion.
add more dynamite. And for minions, the girls are going to handle your training.
Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem is such a fun ride. Super enjoyable siya. Na-enjoy namin dalawa. Nag-enjoy ka?
Better than Simpsons.
Yeah. Super ganda siya. Try nyo. Next stop is Secret Life of Pets Off the Leash. Na-try namin. Kasi ito na yung last ride namin. Na-ikot na namin kasi lahat eh. Nasakyan na namin halos lahat.
Hey, little dude, I'm here for you. Where you going?
Dogs. Well, it looks like that's your cue, Lee.
Hi.
He does it in a cape, so you know he's a hero.
Home like an hour. We're supposed to have a tea party. I know what you're thinking.
Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, guys, and always wash your hands. Bye! See you on the next one!